All right, first off, thank you so much for signing up for the software. I know it's gonna actually help you save so much time, as it's already actually saving me time. But anyways, before you go, I wanna make you a really special offer here to become a reseller partner. Now, what does that mean, to become a reseller partner? That means that you can actually sell this software to people and keep 100% of the revenue. Your customers actually pay you directly and you keep 100% of the revenue, okay? Or you could actually use this software as a bonus for your ClickFunnels affiliate offers, all right? So if you actually wanna be able to become a reseller, then this is the actual offer for you. If you'd like to be able to offer the software as a bonus for your ClickFunnels affiliate offers, or you'd like to just be able to sell it to people just like you who realize they need this software and will pay $197 or $297 for it, then you really want to take this offer. So I've got 3 different plans for you. First plan is 25 accounts. So you'll have 25 customers that you can sell. That's over $7,000 worth of software that I'm giving you. This plan right here is 100 accounts. You can sell it to 100 different people. That's over $29,000 worth of software that I'm giving you here. Or you can take this plan right here. This is obviously, as you can see, your best option. This is 1,000 accounts. You can sell this to 1,000 different people. That's almost $300,000 worth of software. So this is the offer, and I just want to actually go over a couple of questions that people usually ask. So we're going to go over here to these questions, and I'm going to answer these questions. First off, is there any minimum advertised pricing? Yes, there is. We do have minimum advertised pricing where you're going to sell it when you advertise it publicly at the same price as we sell ours, so that the software doesn't actually lose its value. I don't want to be selling it for $297 and you selling it for $5, because that doesn't actually make sense, all right? So we do have minimum.
Something happened here.
So anyways, I'm gonna keep going. Sorry, something was going on with my phone. So we do have minimum advertised public pricing. Anything that the public can see, we have minimum advertised pricing. If you wanna sign up to this and just sell it for $1 and devalue the software and cost all of the partners money, this is definitely not the program for you. But if you realize that, hey, I can sell this for $197 or $297 like you just paid for it, this would be the actual program for you. However, you can offer private deals. So if you have an email list, if you have a private group, if you do an upsell after somebody buys something else from you in direct messages, you know, in chat, on a Zoom call that people register for and they're actually on that Zoom call, those are all private scenarios. You can make your own offers and your own deals there. And we do allow you to use this as an offer for any ClickFunnels affiliate offer. Not any offer, but any ClickFunnels affiliate offer, you can use this as a bonus. Is there any limit on how many accounts I can sell? Yes, there is. Those limits are according to the plan level that you pick below or above. How do I manage my reseller accounts? That's easy. We have an easy portal for you to actually manage all your accounts, either manually or automatically. You can add users, suspend them, unsuspend them, or delete them. Who does the tech customer support? We do all the tech customer support. You don't have to worry about your customer saying, hey, I need help using this. I don't understand. I don't understand. We do all of that. Your customers are going to actually pay you directly. All right. We do, however, also in this limit to how many accounts I can sell, we do have an unlimited plan, which is our white label plan. All right. So if you need unlimited accounts and you want to get around the minimum advertised pricing and sell at whatever price that you want, you can sign up for our white label offer. That offer is right after this page. But you have to take this offer here. So you need to take this 1,000 accounts offer. If you take this 1,000 accounts offer, you'll qualify for our white label program. Well, you'll get unlimited accounts and you can white label this software under your own brand, under your own logo. So if you'd like to be able to make money starting today by offering this software to your customers, or even get more affiliates to sign up to ClickFunnels under you by offering this as a bonus, then you want to go ahead and take this partner program right now. That's it, done.